Oh, so you're back again.
We should have kept it.
Layo na galing ka eh. I already did it. That's not a problem. Right there, sure papunta nyo.
Yung nahuli ko, buhay pa rin ang malaking isda. It's not right.
You again? Oh no, not again. It's a smaller one. It's a much smaller. Look in the eye? Yep, no. It's not look in the eye. It's a pisngi lang. Now, out you go.
Bye.
Guy. Go.
Okay.
And paano may naring ka ni kilo bilang isda? Tapos kinabingwit ka rin.
You're going to catch, if I'm going to catch you again, you're going to be so...
Oh my gosh!
It's different! Oh, pero nasa tama-tama ta. On bullseye. Okay, keep it. Keep that one.
Oh my gosh! It's literally the same fish.
Okay, I catch 9 now.
Gago, double bullseye.
Bullseye.
Double bullseye.
It's literally the same fish.
Wala.
You just released it. Then
Hindi, tama sa mata. Tama sa mata.
mata.
Tama sa mata. Wala. Kita ko.
Mata.
Wala.
Okay, fine.
Kita mata. Kita ko.
Yun!
If that fish better again.
If that fish ever again, I'm going to throw
Right there.
I will find.
I'm kidding. And I'll feed you to the fishes. Okay, this is a different one.
Okay na yan, Gerbs.
Ilan yan?
I actually caught two in 1 minute.
Okay, you catch 6. And I catch 9. And Mark catch 2.
Tama to. Banding sa mata, no matter what.
Yep, keep it.
Oh my gosh,
Gerbs, do not release that fish, okay?
I'm not releasing it. It just slipped out of my hands.
Now I'm going to
What?
get some more bait. Raffle. Ay, kalit-lit. Oh! Uy! Kalakito! No, it's a glass fish.
Uy, okay na.
It's a glass fish. New species. Allah!
For me!
Fish! Yes, a glass fish. It's a new species of mine. Because wanna know why?
Why?
Yay!
Makita sa, Makita sa dito. It's a glass fish.
Man, headshot!
But I'm going to release this one.
Man, wag.
Why?
Gagi, grabe ka sarap inutuin.
Small though.
It's small though.
Keep it.
I mean, it's for Kosa. Get done! Okay. Pang 10th na sa akin. Finally, I can cut. Ay, pangatlo ko na. Ay, wait. Pa-show pala sa kanila. Oh, wala na siya.
Oh man! I knew something was up.
Okay. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is a glass fish. You can barely see right here. So it's a glass fish. So the eyes is like that. And the body will be see-through. Of course, it's called a glass fish. And Marv said it was delicious even if it was small. I'll just have to keep it. And 30-minute mark. Pag inawal, hindi na naman kasi ng storage ko dyan. Pag lahat niya na yung pakano ko dyan. As long as kung hindi lang i-delete na bali. Diba? Gotcha! Oh, close!
Oh, still got it. Still got it. Still got it.
Oh, nice!
Glass fish. Glass fish.
Oh, it's a glass fish. Nice. Glass fish.
Still got it.
You unlock.
New species unlocked for Kirby. Yung total na ako.
Ngayon, pwede mo gawing boogeyman.
Hindi ikaw magkawa. Hindi ako. Ako mag-film. Ikaw na magkain din. Sunod si Kirby ang victim.
We want a big one.
Yeah!
And that's a small one.
Yes, and this is small one. Pero natapan sa mata.
Mom still has a big bait.
11.
I have 7, right?
Yes. Naman. Okay, that's good, man. Walang laps or I think ko. Akala ko mo. Kobe yan? Silang yan.
Yan pa rin siya.
Ano pa kinasikat?
Sorry.
You're fucking Caesar! Awkward na ng tawag na sir. I thought I caught you, you motherfucker.
Squidward. It means awkward.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yung fucking Caesar! Napapos na yung beat ko! Go get it, Terms! No try. Be better.
Wala pa siya.
No, it's not Masunod. It's from Kratos. Yung pare...
Sayang!
Narinig mo yan? Camera! Did you notice about Bentley's screaming voice of Kirby? Yeah. You fucking little piece of shit! But the question is, natamaan ba sa mata? Nope! I don't think so.
We get to live again.
Okay. Now, as for you little fishy. How'd you go? Hindi pa lang tama at kita sa video. Paano ito? What the fuck? Pagkita mo.
Yay!
Hello, sige.
Wala.
Hold on, i-move ko na lang muna ang camera.
I got you this time. 6 and is adult size. Again. Eel! An eel!
What the?
An eel!
What the hell?
Oh my god, tinapakita mo sa camera ito.
Yay guys, nakuli ako ng eel. Masarap to pag ginawa niyong takshiyo.
Damn, I never expected eel. I know, man.
No,
Time for Kirby's League.
how can we cook that?
Aray! Puchag ako hindi! Buwang!
Oh, what are you going to do with that eel now, man?
Dancing in the street. Feel like
Tali niya sa...
Matay na.
Talagang favorite.
Yung oras na.
of a tilapia in a right size or not my size? That is the question. I think nagkamata-mata. Thank you for reminding me, Ben. Thanks, man. I know this is where it's going. Yung pakiksi sa shit. Pakiksi shit.
Men, pangkit ko yan, men. Tinapon ko.
Ako pa nakita.
Palit.
Nakita ba sa camera? Did you see that shit, guys? No! Not counted. But anyway, third is Bumblebee.
9.
Oh, is it tiny?
I think it's the same one.
Dito to, ah.
Yay! Pang 9.
Nope.
Chocolate.
What the fuck?
Was that a crab?
Yes, it's a crab. Damn it!
Sayang.
Doon ako ng camera, hindi counted yan. Sayang. Sayang. Dito ako sa camera. Oh! Damn it. I want to catch crabs as well. What a new species!
Yay! Oh, no!
Okay.
Bye. Pang 10 ko na yun.
Catch and release.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Tanga na ata.
Man?
No. I will surpass you too.
Pangkin na.
No.
Nasa pass mo na ganit siya. Ilan na ako? Pang 15th.
What do we know? It's almost 2.
Well, babay na kami, Ben. Otherwise, maulanan tayo.
Mag-commute kayo.
We will.
Yeah.
And you will.
Paano yung ano? Paano yung... Ano to? Yung ano pa nga to?
So, yun lang.
Bilangin mo muna yung isda men.
So, yun lang, men. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a like and subscribe if you also need naraan dito na.
Yeah, we gotta stop the video because it's going to rain.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Maybe,
But still,
and I'm third, which is actually quite impressive for my first time.
impressive.
We have the winner!
Nicely done, Kurtz.
Men, paki-pull na rin daw itong bang fishing rod na automatic. Oo mo to. Ha?
I have no hope.
Keep the other beats.
Do the kick.
Distribute kills. Huh?
There we go. There we go. That looks like a bow. One day.
Okay.
Let's go. And let's take the cooking pot.
And your cell phone will be bye-bye. Bye!
Bye, Chloe.
I will not drive. Korean po.
Johnny!